Running a small business often means juggling multiple tasks, apps, and communication channels, and that's where Microsoft Teams can make a huge difference. Teams is more than just a chat app or a video conferencing tool. It's a complete collaboration platform that centralizes communication, file sharing, and productivity tools in one place. For small businesses, this means less time switching between apps and more time focusing on growth. With Teams, you can create dedicated channels for different departments, projects, or clients, keeping conversations organized and ensuring everyone on your team stays on the same page. One of the biggest advantages of Microsoft Teams for small businesses is its integration with other Microsoft 365 apps. You can co-author documents in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint directly within Teams, manage tasks with Planner, and organize notes with OneNote, all without leaving the platform. File sharing becomes seamless, and version control ensures that everyone is working on the latest document. Even scheduling meetings and syncing calendars with Outlook is effortless, reducing the chaos of back and forth emails. Teams also supports third-party integrations, which is a game changer for small businesses looking to scale without adding complexity. Tools like Trello, Asana, Zoom, and Salesforce can be integrated directly into your team's workspace. This means you can manage projects, track leads, or run video meetings all from one place, improving efficiency and saving time. Automation tools like Power Automate can even help small businesses by setting up workflows that handle repetitive tasks, like sending reminders, updating spreadsheets, or notifying teams about important events. Another key feature is security. Microsoft Teams comes with enterprise-level security built in, including data encryption and compliance standards. This ensures that your business communications and files are safe, even if your team is working remotely. And because Teams is cloud-based, your team can collaborate from anywhere, whether they're in the office, at home, or on the go. For small business owners, adopting Microsoft Teams can mean streamlined communication, better organization, and increased productivity without adding extra costs or complexity. Start by creating your first team, explore channels, and experiment with integrations that match your business needs. With the right setup, Teams can become the central hub that keeps your small business connected and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on Microsoft Teams, productivity tools, and strategies to grow your small business efficiently.